Planning to visit Australia? Here's what you can't bring with you. When traveling to Australia, leave your fresh fruits and vegetables behind. Australia has strict biosecurity laws to protect its agriculture from pests and diseases. Meat products are also a no-go. Whether it's a delicious steak or jerky snacks, you'll need to leave them at home. Seeds, nuts, and plants could carry unwanted pests. That means no souvenir seeds or those healthy snack packs. Better safe than sorry. Next, dairy products. Cheese, butter, milk, they all fall under Australia's biosecurity restrictions. Australia loves its wildlife, but live animals and plants must stay outside. If you're thinking about bringing a pet or a souvenir plant, think again. Wooden products, including souvenirs and tools, are not allowed. These could harbor pests that could harm the environment. Insects or biological material? Definitely not. You can't bring any critters with you. Drugs are illegal, period. Any type of illicit substances, no matter how small, can land you in serious trouble. Firearms and weapons? Not in your carry-on. Australia has a strict ban on firearms, including replicas and toys. Counterfeit goods can lead to fines and confiscation. Keep it real. Some medicines require a prescription. If you're traveling with medication, double-check to make sure it's allowed. Finally, soil or sand. These can carry harmful organisms that threaten Australia's ecosystems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on traveling to Australia.